Greetings, good people. I'm sure most of you have heard of the tragic story of Shanquella Johnson, a very beautiful young woman who traveled to Cabo with a group of people who I refused to label as friends and was unalive within 24 hours of arriving. The report showed that her cause of death was a fractured spine and a broken neck, which contradicts the story of the people who were with her who claimed that she died of alcohol poisoning. So, a lot of us are wondering, questioning what can be done legally to pursue these people on what we all believe to be a crime. So, the first question would be, who has jurisdiction in this matter? And jurisdiction is just who has the power to make a legal decision. In this case, the crime was committed in the country of Mexico, so they have jurisdiction, not the United States, to pursue any type of criminal charges. So those people left Mexico, came back to the United States, which is where they live. So in that case, they would have to be extradited back to Mexico, and there is an extradition treaty between the United States and Mexico to return people to the country where the crime was committed, back and forth between the United States and Mexico. So at this point, we are really just in limbo to see what the Mexican authorities are going to do. So all of the pressure and the outrage really needs to be focused on the country of Mexico, because that is the country who can pursue any type of legal recourse. I have no doubt that some of our favorite attorneys who always appear when there are big cases in the media have probably already reached out to the family, because in the United States there is a possibility for them to pursue a civil case, not a criminal case, but a civil case, which would be a wrongful death case. Definitely based on the video that we've seen, disturbing as it is, of her being beaten by someone who traveled with her, being recorded by somebody who traveled with her, and you can hear voices in the background that there are other people in the room seeing this altercation. So they at the least have more information to what happened than what they have been providing. So it definitely goes to whether or not there was a conspiracy, definitely a cover up, because there is a discrepancy between the alcohol poisoning story and what her autopsy report actually shows. So at the end of it, definitely want to offer our prayers and condolences to her family. We pray that they're able to seek and get some type of justice for the loss of their loved one. Until next time.